Hello everyone and welcome to today's online class for class 12.
Fluorine is extremely electronegative. Actually, fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. Now, due to this high electronegative nature of fluorine, it is a very very strong oxidizing agent. Transition metals in their low oxidation state forms respective halides in this form MX2, where M is the transition metal and X is the halide like chlorine, bromine or iodine, but never is fluorine. Because of this high oxidizing nature of fluorine, which destabilize the fluoride compounds of these particular metals, these transition metals in the lowest oxidation state, because of this high oxidizing nature of the fluorine. That's why MF2 do not exist, very unstable. So we can say that transition metals make compounds with fluoride in the highest oxidation state, and create compounds, halide compounds with other halides like chloride, bromide, iodide in the lowest oxidation state. Their highest oxidation state gets stabilized due to this high electronegativity of fluorine. On the contrary to that, the lowest oxidation state gets destabilized due to the same high electronegativity nature, which in turn oxidize this metal in the lowest oxidation state to go to the high oxidation state. That's why MF2 is unstable, whereas MX2, where X is fluorine, bromine and iodine, do exist. Like for copper, CuCl2 do exist, CuBr2 do exist. But CaF2 do not exist, and CaI2 also do not exist. This is due to this chemical reaction in which copper 2 plus oxidizes this I minus to produce this I2. Now, due to this reaction, copper I2 in its solution, due to this self-oxidation, due to this oxidation where copper 2 plus ion oxidizes the iodine minus ion to produce the I2, this CuI2 also do not exist. The question is saying that why CuI2 practically do not exist, whereas it should be exist, because copper in its lowest oxidation state, actually the highest oxidation state of copper is +2. CuCl2, CuBr2 exist, whereas it should have been exist. CuI2 should have been exist, but actually do not, because of this reaction in which copper 2 plus oxidizes this I minus ion to produce this iodine. Due to this reaction, this spontaneous oxidation reaction, redox reaction, that CuI2 practically do not exist in nature. This question is saying that compare the copper 2 plus, the stability of copper 2 plus and copper plus iron in aqueous solution. the copper 2 plus, to produce copper 2 plus, two ionization enthalpy is needed to be provided to copper atom, and to produce copper plus ion, one ionization enthalpy or first ionization enthalpy is needed to be provided to the copper atom. Now, in aqueous solution, the dissolution of copper 2 plus occurs. Dissolution of both the ions occurs. As a result, hydration enthalpy is released. Now, hydration enthalpy depends on the charge of the ion and the size of the cation. Charge of copper 2 plus is much more compared to copper plus, and also the size of the copper 2 plus is far less compared to the lesser compared to the copper plus side. As a result, the hydration of copper 2 plus in aqueous solution is much more compared to copper plus, which results in high amount of hydration enthalpy which released after the dissolution or solubility of copper 2 plus in the aqueous solution, which compensates the high amount of second ionization enthalpy, high amount of first ionization enthalpy that was needed to be given. As a result of this, stabilization factor, copper 2 plus becomes stabilized. This stabilization factor cannot be observed for copper 2 plus as much. As a result, in the comparison in aqueous solution, the stability of copper 2 plus becomes much more compared to the copper plus. Hydration enthalpy released due to the solubility is much more for copper 2 plus compared to copper plus, which stabilizes the ionization enthalpy that was given, making copper 2 plus more stable compared to copper plus in aqueous solution. Due to this reason, copper plus in aqueous solution undergoes a disproportionation reaction in which it produces copper 2 plus ion and copper neutral copper atom is precipitate out. Due to this lesser amount of stability or instability of copper plus ion in aqueous solution, copper plus disproportionate into copper 2 plus ion and neutral copper atom in the aqueous solution.